It's actually pretty amazing. Going from the kids having this school where they would go to the other middle schools and they were all nice and new and shiny, and they were kind of, why can't we have that? And now they're getting the nice and new and shiny, and they're loving it.
I think it's really cool because like the school used to be like musty and kind of gross, but now it's like super pretty, and I feel like super cool getting to see the change.
When I first saw it, it looked sort of like a college when I first saw it, yeah.
I really do love being part of new things, and I love that I am able to be part of this new construction and see, like, I love history. I love to see that the old version versus its new version, and I think it makes me feel really proud to be a part of that.
If you ran on the cross-country team, go and stand up right now and be recognized by your peers.
It's amazing. So everyone's connected to Lake Hazel, right? Everyone's kids or auntie taught, went to school, something. And so when they come in and they see the renovations, oh my goodness, this is so cool. So it's so fun to be able to do this for kids. It's fun to be able to have a place where they are so proud to be. They're so excited to be in there. You can hear them in the background. They are pumped. And so it's super fun.